what it's like to walk in Binondo Chinese New Year edition.
Let's go guys.
Ito guys oh. Okay guys, meron Squid Game. Sakto nandito yung recruiter oh.
May si recruiter.
Kailan season 3?
Ah, secret. Ito yung recruiter oh.
Ako yung recruiter.
Thank you.
Natakot ako.
Ayaw i-reveal.
Stay tuned for season 3 guys, babalik pa ako.
Sure. We walk from Lasal to Binondo. Thank you. We just walked from DLSU to Binondo. Are you proud of our stamina?
When are you coming back as Iron Man?
When are you? Fine. Thank you.
So, bilis pa yung dailies ito, Ateneo.
Sobrang traffic guys, sobrang traffic.
Live tilapia.
Dito bumili si Speed ng meow-meow. Masyadong puno, so...
Meow! What you mean meow?
By the way guys, if you guys need wine, whiskey, spirits, alcohol, Wine Century guys.
We got the best prices guys.
Guys, paano tayo tatawid?
Mahirap, may dragon eh.
Umuwi na kasi yung isa eh. Okay lang masama sa vlog, mag-hi ka lang. Happy Chinese New Year!
I don't remember it being this crowded guys. Last year, bata pa kami.
Okay.
Hindi sa ganito kadami dati.
Guys, mga 8 PM pa lang ha. Tingnan mo yung daanan. Guys, walang daanan. By the way guys, kung di nyo pa pinapakinggan yung song ko, Aking Sinta by Ket Neko. Guys, bibili tayo magic water.
Hindi na yung magic water mo ha? Kaso na lang babayaran.
Bakit po tawag magic water?
Akala mo lang ticket sir.
So parang may magic na kung ininom ko. Parang papogi ba ako?
Hindi. Masyado sobrang daming magic kung ganun.
Okay, tikman natin yung magic water. Parang may magic pa.
Eh?
Parang naging Spider-Man. Mario. Para sa atin yung stoplight eh. Para sa tao.
Binondo Church guys. Pero nandito na si Luigi oh.
Uy, Luigi!
Welcome to Philippines Disneyland guys. Once a year lang to. Nandun si Mickey Mouse oh.
Guys, sa Tokyo, Japan na tayo guys.
Bakit sila nakatingin lang? Wala yata tao dyan eh. Guys, punta tayo ng LCM. Ang puno dito.
我们今生注定是沧桑。
Childhood vlog guys. Hi vlog.
Hey, what's up?
Tara masuki tayo.
Mukbang. Yung food rating natin. First time ni Adrian. So, anong masasabi mo?
Nasa guys.
Food rating.
Kaya masuki tayo. Ganda dito guys, lalo na kung New Year kasi ang daming tao talaga.
Hello, abangan namin next week lalakarin.
Stay tuned. Hey, bye-bye. Thank you. Okay guys, that's it for our Chinese New Year Binondo Tour. Grabe ang daming tao. Ano masasabi mo?
Masaya. Sobrang crowded talaga. Hindi ko naalala ganito yung bata ako.
Pero guys, masaya. Stay tuned for our future video. See you. Happy New Year! Happy Chinese New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year everyone!
Happy Chinese New Year! Happy Chinese Year from